Welcome to Roishan's Tech. Today we are diving into most asked and most awaited series that is on Jira. Guys, Jira is one of the most popular tools for project management and tracking. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will help you to get started. So let's jump right in. Jira is used by anyone involved in planning, tracking, and managing tasks or projects. Its adaptability makes it suitable for technical teams like developers, testers, DevOps teams, business analysts, as well as non-technical teams like marketing and HR. There are lots of users of Jira, and that's make Jira very popular. Let's talk about some of the challenges that teams face when they don't use a proper project management tool like Jira. First of all, lack of centralized project management. Because imagine managing your task across spreadsheets, emails, random sticky notes. It sounds so messy, no? Without a centralized tool like Jira, teams often lose track of tasks, leading to confusion and missed deadlines. So let's imagine that your team is sitting at different locations. How are you going to update your agendas, your tasks, if something is pending? This is the issue, if any of the issue is pending. If you don't have any proper tracking tool, proper project management tool. So multiple teams in this case will use the multiple tools. And that's why they will be difficult in tracking progress across teams and projects. Second most important point is limited collaboration. Imagine you're working in a team but you don't feel like you're working in a team because there is no communication. So this happens when there is no project management tool. Team works in silos leads to miscommunication. That means teams which are having their own information, they keep the information by themselves. There will be definitely, you will see lots of miscommunication in those teams. Without Jira, collaboration becomes a nightmare. Miscommunication happens when team relies solely on email chat tools to discuss tasks. There are high chances that we lose important updates, which leads to waste of the time and efforts. There will be poor visibility into dependencies across the departments. If you ask me what could be the reason of any of the project to get failed, I'll say it's always miscommunication. If I have no idea what I'm supposed to do, when I'm supposed to act, whom I'm supposed to report, what information I'm supposed to get at what time, of course, if I have no idea about it, my project will fail. And this happens when you don't have any proper project management tool. There will be inconsistent reporting. Of course, I'll be reporting in my own way. My team members will report in their own way because there is no standardized way to generate the reports. Management will struggle with gaining actionable insights because they have no idea what went wrong, what is required, what action is required at this time. And there will be scalability issues. As team grows and project becomes more and more complex, it's nearly impossible to scale without a robust tool. A manual system just can't handle the increased load. And that's why the project will fail. That's the reason, guys, it's very important to have project management tool like Jira. 99% of the companies are using Jira as a project management tool. And that's how it's so important and so popular across the teams. What is Jira? Jira is a powerful project management tool widely used by the software development teams and businesses of all sizes. It provides a centralized platform for tracking, managing, and collaborating on projects. Look at this picture here. All are from different teams. Let's say this is the team of business analysts, this is the team of testers, this is the team of developers. They all are logging in and adding the task into one common tool that is called Jira. And this enhances the transparency, collaboration, management, and will give you one centralized tool where the actions becomes very quick, and that's how you will never miss the deadlines. Jira works very closely to Agile methodology. It is designed to support Agile development methodologies such as Scrum, Kanban, and it enables teams to work iteratively and deliver value quickly. Guys, before getting into Jira, it's very important for you to understand Agile methodology. So I'll give you a quick overview of Agile methodology in my next video so that you can understand the terminologies we're going to use in Jira. Remember, if you're working as a business analyst, software tester, developer, in DevOps team, product owner, Scrum Master, these videos will have all of you covered. So stay tuned with me. I'll see you in the next video where we'll have quick glimpse of Agile methodology. Thanks for now.